Parking monitor without the teardown or battery drain. This cup holder battery, one solution. AutoNap is an ATOTO smart cup holder battery that provides standby power for the P10 after the engine is off. It offers a plug-and-play solution for parking monitoring and power management, no installation required. After P10 connects to AutoNap, you can 1. Low-power parking monitor mode after engine off. When P10 detects vibration, it wakes up the dashcam, records a 30s emergency video, then sleeps. 2. Remotely wake up the camera to check your vehicle anytime, anywhere. 3. 2-second wake up, instant resume on restart, auto time sync. 4. Physical buttons on cup holder battery for direct control. Power on P10. Turn on Bluetooth and tap Pair New Device. Once paired, short press or long press the button/knob to control assigned functions. If no response, scan and log in to SS Hub. Open SS Hub Scanner. Scan Drive Chat QR code login. Then control Drive
Play
Chat
Bluetooth
command
music.
from the cup holder. Open SS Hub app, add AutoNap, then view and manage AutoNap data in SS Hub. Open Carlo T Hub app, add AutoNap, then customize button settings. All buttons are AP configurable. Assign an unused button to open a specific camera. Build your personal shortcut hub. Battery indicator light identification. Charging 4 blue LEDs light up in sequence. Fully charged, 100%. All 4 blue LEDs stay on. SIS indicator light. Connected to SS Hub app solid blue. Not connected to SS Hub app blue flashing. Power output status on solid blue. OFF LED off. AutoNap supports low voltage, over voltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and high temperature protection. Cigarette lighter adapter retains AUX port. Works with existing Type-C cable and includes one USB-C port for fast charging.